Hey, I'm back with another video, folks, and yeah, folks, so today I'm gonna do another video of me playing Train Sim World 5, and also too, I just found out today that yeah, Train Sim World 6, I believe, is coming out August 25th of this year, I believe, which today's August 7th. And and yeah, we'll see about getting Train Sim World 6. We'll see. Which I probably will, and if I do get Train Sim World 6, I likely will probably get Train Sim World 2, 3, and 4. Since currently, right now, I only have Train Sim World 1 and Train Sim World 5. So yeah, so before I play Train Sim World 5, I have to show you something, but no, we're not doing an unboxing video today. I just want to show you that I got some new trains from Trainworld.com. So yeah, I got some new trains from Trainworld.com that I want to get into right now, just to look at before we play Train Sim World 5. Wait, what's this right here? Whoops. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, they got a sale on this? Those are cool. Look at those P42s. Those are beautiful. Wow, all right. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at that after. Oh yeah, they got more. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take a look at that after. All right, let's start out with this one. Looks like, yeah. So this is all Thomas and Friends that we got. So look at this. I can open it up. Let's see. We got look at that. It's the red carriage. Look at that, folks. It's the red carriage. Yes, there is the red carriage, folks. As you can see. There it is. Narrow gauge red carriage. Man, it's like a scene out of a movie. That's nice. Let's see. Alright. We got some others too. Oh wow, they taped this pretty good. Alright, this is narrow gauge blue carriage. Look at that. Another scene from out of the movie. Well, out of a movie, I should say. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, the item number for the red carriage is 77205. And then the blue carriage, it's 77204. So yeah, folks. Originally, folks, I was gonna get myself two each of the red carriages and two each of the blue carriages, which I would have had a total of them of 4, meaning 2 red carriages and 2 blue carriages. I wanted originally, but I ended up getting myself one each though, because I wanted to save up for like all the other Thomas product, for like the ones that I love to collect, of the ones that I don't have. And I figure, you know what? As long as these are still available and currently on sale, as long as these are still currently on sale and still available for purchase currently, that for Christmas, I'll just ask for one more red carriage and one more blue carriage for Christmas this year. And yeah, I'll just ask for one more red carriage and one more blue carriage for Christmas. So then that way I'll have two of these and two of these, which it'll equal a total of like four. So yeah, two red carriages and two blue carriages. But for now, I'm happy with what I got. So yeah. All right. What else have we got here? All right, we'll put those to the side, and then let's see. What's this one? Narrow gauge brake van red. Item number 77207. So there's that, the brake van red. As you can see. Brake fan red. And then there's the narrow gauge box van red, item number 77209. There it is. All right. So, like I said, I got 7 trains to reveal, but this is only 4 of them, so I got 3 more to show you. And I think for this one, I gotta do it like this. And why do I have to do it like this? Because these 3 are like the most recent. All right. Here we go, folks. All right, folks, here we go. This is it right here. There's one of them. I finally have the high side wagon, so This one's the red. 77304 is the item number. There's the red one. Here's the green one. 77306 is the item number. And then this one's the brown. 77305. That's the brown. So yeah, there we go. And as a matter of fact, folks, actually, as a matter of fact, I would have to say, folks, I think I now have every single Thomas item for H.O. Narrow Gauge Bachman of Thomas and Friends, of every single one that's currently available on sale. Because I'm only missing, I just don't have the 3 other discontinued ones with the original blue box van and the original red box van and the wagon with load that has no number on it. It's those 3 discontinued items that I just am missing. And I just got to collect those ones to complete the entire collection until but then once the ones come out in the future, the other ones that come out in the future, then that'll mean that I'll completed the entire collection. So but for now, folks, I've collected every single narrow gauge Bachman Thomas and Friends item for H.O. Narrow. I collected every single Thomas and Friends H.O. Narrow Gauge Bachman items of Thomas and Friends. Every single one of the items that's currently on sale and everything that's currently available. That I now have every single one that's currently on sale, that's currently available. And I just gotta find the 3 discontinued items of what I just said that they were to complete the entire collection. And as for the ones that are coming out in the future that are not available just yet, they don't count just yet until they become available when they're currently on sale. So but I think the H.O. Narrow Gauge Bachman Thomas and Friends collection of mine is probably, folks, going to be the first one I complete and the first one to give it a check mark. Then behind it, in second place, would be my N-scale Bachman Thomas and Friends collection. And then behind it, either in third or fourth place, or going back and forth between third and fourth place, would be my HO scale Bachman Thomas and Friends collection and O scale Lionel collection of Thomas and Friends, because those are the bigger ones and everything and all that. So this I'm probably going to complete first, is what I'm predicting, and then second place will be my N scale Bachman collection of Thomas and Friends, and then I think between third and fourth place, going back and forth between third and fourth place, would be my HO scale Bachman Thomas and Friends collection and O scale Lionel Thomas and Friends collection. That's the order it probably goes. So folks, there you have it. Next time I go over to to do my N scale layout and all that, I will definitely be running all 7 of these on there. But today we're not running them because yeah, I'm not over at my N scale layout right now, so I'm back home where my HO layout is and everything. So yeah, yeah, folks, next time I go over to my grandparents' house where my N scale layout is currently, next time I go over there, I will unbox all 7 of these, and yeah, do a review on them, and yeah, and not repeat myself either. I can promise you that. So yeah, next time I go over to my grandparents' house where my current N scale layout is currently, I will unbox all 7 of these. I will, and yeah, run them around on the layout. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna put these all back in the box right now. There's all 6 and then 7. Alrighty, perfect. Alright. Put the trash right there, and then, you know, I'll put this here too. And then I will shut my light off. And now we will play Trainworld 5. So yeah, folks. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm sorry, folks. My hand was covering the camera, so I apologize. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do another Amtrak route today, folks, because that's what I'm more in love with. So you know what? Let's take a break from the New York to Trenton and do the Boston Sprinter. So obviously I've done the Northeast Regional the past couple times, so you know, let's do the Excella today. Why not? Let's do the Excella Express today. We can do this one. Alright. We're gonna do the Excella Express number 2171. So yeah, it's going from Boston to Providence, but I'm sure it's got to be going to Washington, D.C. I'm sure. But yeah, we're not going all the way to Washington, D.C. We're starting out in Boston. We're just going to Providence because that's as far as this Northeast Corridor route runs for this DLC pack. So yeah, so we're going to do the Excella Express. Let's do it.